Next, let's take a look at how our last step in backing up the electricity is to put the cotton on it and put it on the wind river. Take out the one that has been laid out and walk next door. Take it out and seal it with the extra spaces. When we transport Nutra here, you can transport more Nutra. If it is spaced apart, you can leave a width of 3 to 4 spaces. Here, cut off the 4 extra corners on the side. The grid's next to these trapped places. It doesn't matter if you twist it a little more. And then we finally have to fix it inside. First, let's fix the extra remaining grid next to this one. Fold it in half towards you like this. Then fix it inside with thread. What is used here is the Zishio needle. And then there is this line. After taking out the thread, if the thread is too long, you can cut it off a little bit. It's a length that's suitable for us. Then use one line here is 6 strands. Here you need to separate it when using it. Just divide it into 3 shares. Separate the 6 strands with 3 strands on each side. Divide it in the middle like this. Can be used twice. Take out the needle and thread the thread through the needle. I'm afraid there won't be much threading here. It will be easier and easier to penetrate. Thread the end of the thread into the back. One end is long, then lengthen to this end and tie the thread with a knot. Fix the thread. Like this, make a coil of flesh with it. Just fix it and I'll do it, then add a line. So, tie a knot. Then start moving the grid inward here to fold it like this. Fixing it first means fixing the grid first. Then go and occupy a replacement shop. Follow the edge of our unified line. Let it push the enemy in. After defeating the enemy, the needle comes directly from inside the septum. Put it in and then put it out again. It is here that when you enter the truth and emerge from the truth, this partition outside will meet you. We listen to it together. It's a point of intersection. Really fix it. After taking it out, there will be a cable. I really need to thread it through the middle of the thread. Collect it like this. The line is fixed. Thread to this part, we'll fix it, then continue to move forward to meet each other. There is no need to make the needle too long when it is combined. Slightly shorter. The end goes directly through the partition. And then from the front, put it on for him. Continue to increase until it goes back and back. Fish compartment. Continue going forward and remove the bone base like this. When entering the truth and coming out of the truth, be sure to remember that there are partitions between the upper layer and the lower layer. Then the bones and bases are together. In this way, first give the neck partition part to his bone base like this. Go to a place where there is confusion. Its mesh was not very soft before. Then fold it over. Fall like this. Drop down to this part again. We can fix it 2 more times. Otherwise it will jump up next to. Fix it twice like this. As long as there is confusion, or you can handle it in the same way after transferring it. The method of fixing the whole circle is the same. When the remaining threads are very short, you can pin them out after steaming. Then this end of the thread. Steam it like this and give it a cooling ring. Then take out the steamer. Or just go back and forth inside to fix it a few times. Then finally cut the thread. There is no red bowl left behind. Then continue to thread another thread. Give it all the rest like this. If it breaks inside, pull it to fix it. Treat the back like this first. This way the back side of it is processed. Just fix the spacer in a circle first, then pull it out. Then pull out this pavement on the bottom floor. We need to put it first. Stick it on this cotton. Just stick it on this pavement. After soaking it for a while, go and cut it. After taking out the burnt water, then steam the mud from the top to see if it can be opened. Cut out a hole. First, apply burnt water evenly on this pavement. Steam the mud and spread it out. First steam it and apply a layer on it. According to the size we have made with the back electricity, we can steam and remove the pattern. Don't cover the entire shop with pictures of it. Go to this head. After applying the foam evenly. And then put this one before us. This is the steely hole that was made. And then give it the button it's on top. Pay attention around you. Just don't stick the thread. The line around it gives it upwards. Sort this out. This is give it a button. Then after we click the button. After pressing it, and then 10 minutes later, cut out the remaining cotton around it, and let it fix the clay surface first. The threads on the clay surface and the cotton paving are ironed together. Let it be fixed first. Remove the coke and dry it. After the burnt water inside dries, cut it along the edge. After cutting it, it will still separate if it reaches the edge where it may be. The occupancy is not very tight. Then I edge it, and we need to use the line again, to give it a circle of Red River. Just stick to Buyuan and then give it a circle of Red River. Next, let's take a look at how to get to Honghe. Use to make yourself beautiful. Then the line used to go to Fenghe is Sanggu. Go to a line, then divide it into 2 equal parts. 3:1. This is how to separate it. After separation, pass through gently. The ends of the thread are also long and short. Then it grows to this length and is knotted and fixed. Then let's take a look at how to get to Fenghe. Here in Fenghe, Jane first started from inside the cotton shop. Wear it with red top and bottom like this. Because of Cable Festival. Then go straight up and take out the needle from the inside of the septum. After taking it out, set a distance of about 5 meters between your points. Go from the front and directly connect the pavement and the edge of the partition. Use your strength to fight. This thread grew after the fight. It's placed at the front of the fight. After the fight, the line was originally at the back. Then lift it up to him and fight to the front. Then go out to fight and hold the line tightly. This prevention method is called buttonhole rust. Then take a look at this edge and cut it around, as if in the past, and then from the front. Your most secret place to go to the real world. Place the thread end in front of the thread to really tighten it. After the true thread is passed, tighten the coil in front of the true thread. This is how I used to get to red branch in the whole circle. In this way, after the red branch is cured, its edges will be more delicate, and will not fall off. Follow the previous method. And the whole circle seems to have ended. After Buddha finishes one line, then go back and forth first, the same red one again. Give it thorns. Fix the thread. Then steam the green onion noodles inside. Pass it on. Finally, just cut the thread ends. Then pass the line again. The same thread inside the noodles. Go and find out the real thread. Hide it inside. Just after the red fruit, it's the same. Steamed in red quantity, bottom of the pot. Back and forth from the edge like this. Wear it more times. Press the thread inside it. This whole cup shop, we've finished the red process. This is what it will look like after the red process is finished.